I can't see your
Hi,
screen.
Mortija.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
Fine, thanks. How are you?
I'm good. Okay, I'm going to start today's session.
دوستان تصویر دارین شما؟
بله بله.
Before going to start this
Bale.
session, do you have any
ندارم.
questions?
بچه‌ها قبل از اینکه جلسه رو شروع بکنن سوالی دارین؟
من
آقا
یه
مرتضی
سوال
تصویر
دارم.
نیست.
البته بیشتر
چیزی،
شبیه درخواسته تا سوال.
اگر تصویر ندارین بیرون دوباره جوین شین.
اوکی.
بچه‌ها سوال ندارین؟
من یه درخواست داشتم از ایشون آقای چیز.
بفرمایید.
میشه ایشون تو بازار به اصطلاح حالا تو همین مارکت لایف با ترند لاین این بایر زوم، من با اون مشکل دارم یکم. ترند لاین
یه بار دیگه توضیح بدن؟
نه توضیحش رو که میفهمم چه جوریه، ولی واقعا خیلی به من کمک میکنه اگر ایشون در همین بازار هم با ترند لاین مثلا چند تا بایر زون سلر زون مشخص کنن حالا تو یه دقیقه.
باش.
این خیلی کمک
sir.
Yes.
Sir. Mr. Dsouza.
Yes.
Before you start, my friends want to ask you to show them again how to show the buyers and sellers zones through trend line.
Trend line, right?
Yes.
Okay, 1 minute.
گذشته بازار
And okay, breakout candle. And okay, here I will show you. Okay, a buyer's entry point, right? This is a buyer's entry point. Buyer's entry. Again, we can enter with buyers from this level because already we are seeing a buyer's entry. Again, a buyer's entry. But here there is no buyer's entry and there is no rejection below to go with buyers after breakout 2, right? If there is any rejection, then we can expect a reversal because 70% breakouts are fake breakouts. So if there is any rejection like this, then we can expect a reversal. But there is no rejection, means no buyers are interested. So after breakout, we can expect a continuation. Here we are seeing a continuation candle. That too, this is a reversal candle, but if the candle closed above this level, we can take this candle as a continuation reversal. But here we are seeing a reversal candle below the level. It means this is not a reversal candle. If this is not a reversal candle, it means it is a continuation candle. So we can expect a continuation. Mostly it will continue, sometimes it will reverse. And okay, here seller's entry, again a seller's entry, again a seller's entry. There is a rejection, again we are seeing a rejection from the same level. So we can expect seller's entry here, and if you draw this line, if you take two levels, then you will get the third line. Okay, seller's entry. This is a seller's entry, but after breakout, there is a rejection, means the sellers are interested. We can expect a reversal after breakout too. This is a breakout candlestick. Here we are seeing a seller's entry, again a buyer's entry, again a buyer's entry. We can expect buyer's entry here. Here also a buyer's entry. There is a gap, a breakout candlestick, there is a rejection, again a buyer's entry. But the candle closed below the level, means this is not a reversal sign. If the candle closed above the level like this, we can expect this candle as a reversal sign. Again we can go with buyers. But the candle closed below the level means this is not a reversal sign. If this is not a reversal sign, it means it may continue the market. There is a chance to continue the market. Seller's entry, again a seller's entry. There is a gap, so mostly the market will fill this gap. So it's better to avoid. After this candle, it's better to place a higher option, but this is a right place. Seller's entry. There is a gap, so the market may fill this gap. So it's better to place a higher option. But here the candle closed below the level with very strong rejection. This is a seller's area. We can expect a seller's entry. But again, it continues the market because we are seeing a strong seller's entry, strong seller's entry, strong seller's entry. But here the sellers are weak, the buyers are strong. And we are seeing a strong, the buyers tried very strongly to break this level. You can see there is no rejection, no strong rejection, there is a strong rejection. The rejection is showing us the seller's entry in the market and a buying pressure in the market too. But the closing point is at the seller's area, so we can go with sellers. We can take this week as a selling pressure, not a buying pressure. But very strong buyer's entry. No strong buyer's entry, strong buyer's entry, but it reversed. Here also there are some seller's entry. This is not a strong buyer's entry with compared to this one. Here we are seeing a very strong buyer's entry. The buyers tried very strongly to break this level. So there is a weak seller's entry. And here also you can see this is a right level. Okay, seller's entry. Again we can expect a seller's entry from the same level. So there is no difference. We can, if you connect two seller's entries or two buyer's entries, you will get a third buyer's entry and third seller's entry easily from it. Okay, a buyer's entry, again a buyer's entry from the same level. Okay, here also seller's entry, again a seller's entry from the same level. So we can expect a seller's entry, but the sellers are very weak here. The sellers are very weak and there is a strong rejection and we are seeing a buying pressure. So we can expect a buyer's entry again. There is a chance to enter buyers at least for 1 minute because the sellers are strong. Still the sellers are strong, but here the sellers are very weak. That too we are seeing a buying pressure and here also we are seeing a bullish momentum. It means we can expect a continuation, not a reversal. So you need to observe this point too. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there anyone to ask me questions?
بچه‌ها دیگه سوال ندارین؟
Yes, I got a question.
Yes.
Mr. Dsouza, could you explain about the rejection as a confirmation? I mean, Could you give us some example? Which rejections are you talking about? Which are valid, which are not? Could you explain in detail?
Okay, 1 minute. There is no rejection, right? But this is a entry point, right? No rejection means the market will go up. But this is the entry point. The entry point means the market may reverse. So this is not valid. So there is a chance to go down, there is a chance to go up. So this is not valid. Okay, there is a 50-50 chances, right? A 50 and 50 chances. Okay, and here okay, there is 1 minute. Yeah, here there is a seller's entry, again a seller's entry. So the rejection is showing us the seller's entry in the market. So we can go with sellers here. But here there is no rejection, means the market may go up, it may go down too because of this seller's entry. There are some sellers at this area, so it may go down. There is a breakout candlestick, so it may go down. We have two possibilities to go down, and there is no upper rejection, means it may go up. So we have only one possibility to go up. So it's better to place a lower option, but there is no upper rejection, means it's better to avoid. Okay? But if you want to place here a higher option, if you want to place here a trade, but it's better to place here a up option, because low option, down option, because this is a seller's area. There are some sellers entries in the market, so it may go down. This is a breakout candlestick, so after breakout it may go down. So we have two options to place here a down option, but here we have only one option to place a up option. It means the option is there is no rejection. So if there is no rejection, sometimes it may go up too. There is a possibility to go up. So this is a confusion trade, but if you want to place here a trade, this is a seller's area and this is a breakout candlestick, it's better to place here a lower option. And 1 minute. So a seller's area, seller's entry point, and here also there is a seller's entry point. So here a seller's entry, again a seller's entry, again a seller's entry, but there is a gap. There is no upper rejection, means mostly the market will go up, but it reversed because of this seller's entry, because of this seller's entry, because of this row number, because the market is respecting this row number. The market is respecting this row number. Okay, no reversal. Here also is reverse, it reversed. The market is respecting this row number mostly because it reversed, no reversal, but again it reversed, Mostly the market reversed this market. The row number reversed the market at this area because the row number is very strong. So we can trust this row number, but there is no upper rejection. There is a level here. So the market may continue, but it reversed. So it may go up sometimes, it may go down sometimes. So this is not valid. But here there is a new high in the market. The new high is showing us the buying price in the market, but the closing point is at the seller's area. If the closing point is at the seller's area, we can take this wick as a selling pressure, not a buying pressure. Okay, because the closing point is at the seller's area. Okay, 1 minute. I will give you one example. Okay, here I will give you one example. 1 minute. Okay, here a inverted hammer candlestick, a hammer candlestick, and a hammer, inverted hammer candlestick. Okay, I already told you this point here. So this is a inverted hammer candlestick. So if this is a support level, the support level means buyer's area. If this is a buyer's area, we can take this wick as a buying pressure. I already told you this point because this is a buyer's area. The sellers are here, the buyers are here. So we can expect a buyer's entry. Here also, this is a seller's area, this is a buyer's area. This is a support level. Okay, we are seeing a buyer's entry from this level. That too, we are seeing a support level. The support level is showing us the buyer's area in the market. So by analyzing this candle and by seeing this level, we can take this wick as a buying pressure. Here also, if this is a resistance level, we can take this wick as a selling pressure because the sellers are here, the buyers are here, the sellers are here, the buyers are here. If the market, if this candle closed at the seller's area, we can take this wick as a selling pressure. If the candle closed at the buyer's area, we can take this wick as a buying pressure because we are seeing a rejection from buyers. This is a buyer's area. Here we are seeing a rejection from sellers, but the buyer's entry is here. The buyer's entry is here, so we can take this candle as a buying pressure because the candle closing point is at the buyer's area. And here, this is a support. If this is a support level, we can take this wick as a buying pressure. If this is a resistance level, we can take this wick as a selling pressure because the candle closing point is at the seller's area. Okay, clear?
Yes, I got it. Thank you.
Okay. Is there anyone to ask me questions?
No, sir.
من یه سوال دارم آقای شیرسواد، فقط با بله یا خیر. اگر بایر زون ها یا سلر زون ها با درصدهای اصلی فیبوناچی یه همپوشانی داشته باشن، آیا میشه تاییدیه مستحکمی در نظر گرفت برای ورود به پوزیشن؟
من سوالتون رو متوجه نشدم.
ببینید وقتی یه بایر زون یا سلر زونی رو خب مشخص میکنیم، اگر اون بایر زون یا سلر زون با یه درصد از درصدهای فیبوناچی همپوشانی داشته باشه، بخوره به یه درصد فیبوناچی، خب بله، آیا میشه اون رو یه تاییدیه مستحکم‌تر در نظر گرفت برای ورود به پوزیشن؟
Yes,
sir. The question is that when we want to draw SNR lines through Fibonacci, if a buyer's zone or seller's zone, actually it matches with one of those lines in Fibonacci, can we take it as a SNR line? Can we take it as a buyer's or the seller's entry?
No, the buyer's entry and seller's entry is different because we can draw the buyer's entry and the seller's entry with the help of the trend line only. Okay. 1 minute, I will tell you. Okay, this is also a buyer's entry. Okay, this is also a buyer's entry. This is also a seller's entry. Okay, with the help of this horizontal line, we can know the buyer's entry and seller's entry, but the market will respect the trend line mostly as a buyer's entry and seller's entry. because of my observation. Okay, because of my observation, the market will mostly respect the trend lines as a buyer's entry and seller's entry. Okay, but the horizontal lines, the market will sometimes respect, sometimes it doesn't respect. Okay,
I think it just makes sense in a range market.
yes, not on yes ranging market. You can draw a horizontal lines on the ranging market only, right?
Yes.
You can draw the trend lines in the trend market. So if you want to place your trade with the help of the trend line, you are following the trend, right? You are following the trend. So mostly you will get items, right?
Yes.
So at the trend lines, the market will make some entry points. Okay, these are the entry points. So you can enter with buyers, you can enter with sellers, you can enter with sellers, you can enter with sellers. Here also you can enter with sellers. There is a chance to enter with sellers, but before trying to break the level, the market will give you some signs. 1 minute, if possible, I will show you. The market will give you some signs. The signs will without lower rejection and a strong momentum like this. 1 minute, I will show you. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, like this. 1 minute, I will show you here. Strong seller's entry, a strong seller's entry, right? A strong seller's entry without touching this level. Without touching this level, we are seeing a seller's entry. It means the sellers are very strong. But after touching this level too, we are seeing a new high. The new high is showing us the buyer's pressure in the market. And you can see here a buyer pressure. And this is not a buyer pressure because of this candle. And this is not a buyer's pressure because of this candle, right? Without touching this level, we are seeing a seller's entry. But here, we are seeing a buying pressure. That too, we are seeing a new high, right? But the candle closing point is at the seller's area. That's why we can expect a seller's entry because of this huge rejection. But after this rejection, still we are seeing a buyer's entry. It means the market is now ready to go up. Okay, this is a perfect breakout candlestick. So before going to break the level, the market will give you some signs like this: a new high, weak candle. After this candle, there is no seller's entry. We are seeing a buyer's entry. So even there is a rejection, the market will go up because because of this engulfing candle, there is a rejection, but the buyers are strong, the sellers are weak, and the next sellers are here, right? The next sellers are here. There is a gap, so we can expect buyer's entry. So this is a real breakout. So the market will give you some signs before going to break the level, and like this, okay, like this, no rejection, no enough rejection, and there is no closing point too. The closing point is here, there is a gap, but it reversed. But here we are seeing a new high in the market, very strong buying pressure in the market. So this is a retracement because of this seller's area. Because of this seller's area, we are seeing a seller's entry again, the buyers entered. So this is a confirmation that the market wants to break the level. But this is a buying pressure, so it may go up. This is a seller's area, it may go down. This is an indecision market. After this candle, we can expect a buyer's entry. After this candle, we can expect a buyer's entry because of this engulfing candle, and the next sellers are here. So there is a gap, we can expect a buyer's entry again. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is there anyone to ask me questions?
Now, بچه‌ها دیگه سوال ندارین؟ شروع کنن جلسه رو. No more questions, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, we'll continue today's class. I will show you. Okay, here I will show you one thing. Okay, a bearish candle. After this bearish candle, we are seeing a bullish candle. Okay, can you guess what will be the next candle here?
Bullish candle.
Why?
But it depends where it shows up, actually. If it's in the middle of a trend, that would be a continuation, and next one would be a bullish candle because it's an engulf candle.
Okay, very good.
But if it touches the support level, then that would
Resistance.
be a sign of the reversal. Resistance, sorry.
Yes. Okay. Because of this seller's entry, so it may go down. Okay, very good. Next. Yes.
Yeah, it's a engulfing pattern, and I think it will go up to.
Same answer?
Yes.
Yep.
Same answer from everyone?
بچه ها همتون همین جواب دارین؟
Is there anyone to go with sellers after
بستگی
this
داره آقای
pattern?
شیرسوار کجا باشه، این تو ریزیستنس باشه، تو ساپورت باشه، کجا باشه، نمیشه همینجوری جواب داد واقعا.
Yeah, my friend says it depends where it shows up. Does it touch the resistance level, or no, it's in the middle of an uptrend?
Okay. It depends upon the market situation, right?
Yes.
Okay. By seeing these two candles, can you guess what will be the next candle here? Only depending upon the two candles.
Bullish.
Bullish. Why?
Because the buyers are stronger than the sellers, and it's an engulf candle.
Okay.
It covers all the body of the previous candle.
Okay. Okay, very good.
But
Next.
maybe it will be bearish because we are closer to the seller's entry.
Okay, very good. Next.
دیگه بچه‌ها جواب بدین.
If it is in the middle of a downtrend, if it is in the middle of a downtrend, then the next candle will be a bearish candle. I just learned it from your YouTube videos that an engulfing candle doesn't work in a downtrend.
Yes.
Like this
If
one.
this is uptrend?
Uptrend, I think it will continue.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
دیگه بچه‌ها
منم سعودی رو انتخاب میکنم، فکر میکنم سعودی بشه.
Everybody says bullish.
Okay. What said this previous answer? Who said this one?
The previous one, you mean the guy
If the
who said
trend is
it's-
downtrend, it will go down. If the trend is uptrend, it will go up.
That was me. That was me. Yes.
Hussein Jabihi, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good answer.
Thank you.
So, on minute. So here, I already told you this answer. So if the trend is uptrend, we can go with buyers because here the buyers are stronger than the sellers, right? The buyers are stronger than the buyers. But if the trend is downtrend, we can go with sellers because the engulfing pattern doesn't work in downtrend. Not every time, but most of the time. Most of the 70% of the time or 80% of the time, or more than the 80% of the time sometimes. So in the downtrend, we can't expect a buyer's entry. We can't expect a buyer's entry. Even this is a buyer's area. We can't expect a buyer's entry because the closing point of this candle is near to this seller's area and there is a gap. We can expect a retracement because there is a gap. So because of by analyzing the market, because of my observation, I saw these patterns so many times. So the closing point of this candle is near to the seller's entry point and the buyers are here. There is a gap, so the market will continue after this retracement. This is a retracement candle. After this, there is a strong downtrend. If there is any strong downtrend, or if there is any downtrend, after this engulfing candle, we can expect a seller's entry again. So it doesn't work. And I already told you, if you combine these two candles, it will be looking like this candle, a hammer candlestick, far from the buyer's area. So there is a gap. We can expect a seller's entry again. So, but if the candle closed in the uptrend, we can expect a buyer's entry. So, because by analyzing these two candles, the buyers are more powerful than the sellers. Because if you see a 7 sellers in this candle, you are seeing here a 10 buyers in this candle. Who are more powerful? The buyers are more powerful in the market. So we can expect a continuation. If the buyers are in the market, we can go with buyers very confidently. The buyers are in the market. If the buyers are not in the market, we can't go with buyers confidently. By seeing this candle, we can go with buyers, but we are seeing a sellers also. We are seeing the buyers closing point at the seller's entry point. So there is a chance to reverse too. So this is an indecision market. We can't go with buyers, or we can go with sellers. But if we are seeing a seller's entry, it means the uptrend in the market, we can go with buyers confidently. So in this candle, we are seeing the buyers very strongly with compared to the sellers. So we can go with buyers after this candle. So it depends upon the market situation. We need to analyze the market to go with buyers after this candle. So here, okay, if this is a uptrend, this is uptrend. So the market reversed and it is going up. You can see if this is uptrend. So the market went up and there is a retracement, it reversed. Again, it got a support from any level. Again, it is continuation. So the market is not moving like this. Here the market is moving like this. So the market will reverse in the middle of the trend according to this pattern. So listen carefully. Here, by analyzing these two candles, the market is moving. The market is reversing in the middle of the trend. If this is a uptrend, if this is a downtrend, the market is reversing in the middle of the trend. I will draw clearly here. If this is a bullish candle, if this is a bearish candle, okay, here the market reversed in the middle of the trend and it is going up. I will draw clearly. Okay, here a bearish candle and one minute bearish candle. Okay, here. So we are seeing a downtrend. If we are seeing a downtrend, it will go up and it will reverse in the middle of the trend, right? But if you are seeing a uptrend, it will go up and it will reverse in the middle of the trend and it will continue the market. So here we are seeing two patterns: the downtrend and a retracement and a continuation. and the uptrend, a retracement, and a continuation. Yeah, we are seeing two patterns here, and one minute, these two patterns always observe these two patterns here and here also. If there is any level, it will reverse and will continue. These two patterns are very important. And here a bearish candle. Yeah, can you guess what will be the next candle here?
بچه‌ها میتونیم بگین کندل بعدی چی میتونه باشه؟
آخه آقای شیرسوار یه سوال خیلی مهم اینجا مطرح میشه. آیا چجوری میشه پترن ها رو با ریتریسمنت ها تشخیص داد؟ آیا فقط توجه به روند فعلی بازار میتونه این راهنمایی رو به شما بده یا نه؟ این سوال میشه همه اینا رو جواب داد وقتی جواب این سوال
یعنی چی؟ یعنی شما میگین که ایشون مشخص کنه کجای بازار هست اینا بعد ما جواب
ببینید در مثال قبلی ایشون یه دونه پترن اینگولفینگ برای ما مثال زدن، درسته؟ و جواب درست این بود که روند بازار چیه. اگر روند بازار یک روند نزولیه، خب اون موقع میشه یک ریتریسمنت، چون مثالشون بولیش اینگولفینگ بود دیگه، درسته؟
آره.
اگر نه روند نزولی باشه، به اصطلاح روند صعودی باشه، این میشه به اصطلاح یه اخطار برای اینکه ما بلافاصله با خریدارا همراه بشیم. سوالی که اینجا مطرح میشه اینه: آیا پترن ها وقتی تبدیل به ریتریسمنت میشن که ما به روند توجه کنیم و روندی خلاف پترن فعلی میشه ریتریسمنت؟ سوال اینه.
My friend says that the candle patterns that you show us, it depends where they show up, and do they actually, does it change the role when they are in a different part of the market, if it is in an impulsive movement or in a retracement movement?
Yeah, if the trend is downtrend. Yeah. Yes.
اگر downtrend باشه چی؟ I think
میشه یه اصلاح ریتریسمنت و کندل بعدی نزولی هستش.
چی بوده؟ bearish.
Okay. If the trend is uptrend.
He says bearish.
میشه bullish.
اگه uptrend باشه چی؟
میشه bullish کندل بعدی.
Bullish. Okay, very good answer. And 1 minute. Here, if the trend is uptrend, what will be the next candle here? Okay.
اگه uptrend باشه کندل بعد چی میشه؟
کندل بعدی صعودیه.
Bullish. He says
bullish.
If the trend is downtrend,
میشه نزولی.
bearish. Okay, very good answer. So here, 1 minute, I will explain clearly. Okay, everyone's answer is same, right? Is there
yes.
It's a kind of harami candle. So the next candle is the baby candle or inside bar. So does it make any difference where it shows up?
Yes. Ask me again.
I said it's a mother candle or the harami one, and the next one is a inside bar or a baby candle. So does it make any difference where it shows up? Because I always wait in this situation.
There is a difference because we can't apply the forex strategies, forex patterns in binary options. 1 minute, I will show you one example. Then you'll get some idea. And 1 minute. Okay, a bearish candle and a bearish spinning top or a doji candle and a bullish candle, and a bullish candle or a doji candlestick or this one or bullish candle, spinning top. Okay, the color is not a matter here. We can expect a green candle, or we can expect a bullish candle. It's not a matter. The color is not a matter, but that pattern is a morning star pattern, evening doji star pattern, the evening star pattern. Okay, so the color is not a matter. Sometimes you will get a doji candle, or sometimes you will get a bearish candle, sometimes you will get a bullish spin of candle. The color is not a matter here, but these are the morning star, evening star candle. So then mostly you will get the next candle will be a bearish candle. You will expect a bearish candle next candle after this pattern. Here you can expect a bullish candle after this pattern, because you know the point is after this morning star pattern, the next candle will be a bullish candle, right? You will expect a bullish candle, right? Here you will expect a bearish candle. Here also, right? But it's wrong. After this pattern, wait, I will show you some examples too, don't worry. So after this pattern, you can expect a bearish candle, not a bullish candle. So here also, after this pattern, you can expect a bullish candle. Here also, you can expect a bullish candle, not a bearish candle. Okay, because this is a retracement candle of this pattern. This is also a retracement candle of this pattern. So after these candles, you can expect a retracement, not a continuation. Even the trend is uptrend or the trend is downtrend, whatever it is. Either the trend is uptrend or the trend is downtrend. Sir, but we can expect a retracement. 70% of the time, after these patterns, we can expect a retracement, not a continuation, because the pattern is a forex pattern. The forex traders will use this pattern like this. 1 minute, I will show. 1 minute. So here, if the trend is downtrend, if they see any new high in the market after this candle, if they find any new high in the market, if they find any rejection in the market, and if they don't find any new low in the market after this new low or after this new low, if they don't find any new low in the market, it means they can expect a continuation. So they will take this candle as a retracement, then they will place here a higher option. So it will be below this level will be their stop lossing point, and the next resistance level will be their take profit point. So this is the confirmation candle. So the forex traders will take another confirmation after this continuation candle. I will show you. So here, if they get any bearish candle or bullish candle, whatever it is, if they take any candle which will make a new low in the market after this candle, then they will enter here. So the candle may be a bearish candle, sometimes it will be a bullish candle. The color is not a matter, but mostly we can expect a retracement. Mostly the next candle will be a bullish candle, but if the candle make a new low, they will enter here and they will exit after this. They will exit on the next support level like this. So the pattern will help you to trade only if the next candle will make a new low. Sometimes the market make a bullish candle, sometimes it will make a bearish candle too. But mostly 70% of the time, according to my observation, 70% of the time, we can expect a retracement. The next candle will be a bullish candle. Okay, we can't place here a lower option directly on binary options. because we can't apply the strategies, we can't apply these patterns on binary options because the pattern is a forex pattern. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So don't place a lower option. Don't place a higher option after this candle. Don't place a lower option after this candle. If you want to place a trade, then place a lower option. If you want to place a trade here, then place a higher option. You will get 70% winning ratio. If you go against the trend, if you go with sellers after this pattern, if you go with buyers after this pattern, okay. If you want to then observe the market, then you will get some idea on these patterns. Okay, so these are the forex patterns. We can't expect a buyer's entry or seller's entry after these patterns. And this one also, the engulfing pattern also, the engulfing patterns. So the market will move like this, and the market will move like this in downtrend. Okay, because of this, the bullish candle and the bearish candle. So here uptrend, retracement, again it will go up, and here a downtrend, retracement, downtrend, retracement, until again it will go up, it will go down. So these two patterns are very important. Always remember these patterns. And here bearish candles and a bullish candle. So the next candle will go up because the buyers are very strong. So uptrend. So here downtrend, engulfing candle, it will go up, right? So here we are seeing a bearish candle, again we are seeing a uptrend and it is going up. So here we are seeing two patterns on metal show. So the market will move like this, and it will move like this in downtrend, or the market will move like this, or the market will move like this. Okay, if the market is in range market, the market will move like this. If the market is in trendy market, the market will move like this. Okay, the market will move like this. If that market is in trendy market, the market is trendy market, the market will move like this. If the market is in range market, the market will move like this. Yeah, these two patterns are very important. Always remember this pattern. And if you see these patterns, okay, if you see these patterns, if the trend is uptrend, we can expect a retracement at least for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Again, if you see a continuation, then you can expect a continuation continuously. So if you see any reversal after this retracement, again you can expect a continuation. So always remember this point. Then I will show you here. Here. So here retracement after this pattern, and a range market, no retracement. There is a pattern, we are seeing retracement, no retracement, no retracement. There is a retracement, A retracement, no retracement, no retracement, 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 no retracement, yeah also. So I will show you some examples here. Okay, retracement and downtrend, no retracement. Okay, retracement, retracement. A retracement candle. Now retracement. Okay, no pattern, no pattern, no retracement. Okay. No pattern, no pattern. Okay, there is no pattern here. Okay, retracement, no pattern. The retracement here. Okay. So we can expect a retracement mostly after this pattern. Okay, here also a retracement candle. No retracement here. A retracement here. A retracement here. A retracement here also. So we can expect a retracements after these patterns mostly. Okay, a retracement after these patterns mostly. Here also a retracement. Okay, we can't expect a continuation after these candles, after these patterns, because the patterns are a forex patterns. We can't apply these patterns in binary options. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall I continue today's class?
Yes, just a short question.
Yes.
In a trending market, uptrend or downtrend market, the number of the candles in the impulsive movements are more than the number of the candles in the retracement movement, right?
Yes.
So is there a
If
way
there
that
is,
we can
if there
count?
is any level, okay, on it, I have shown you one pattern like this. It will get a support from any level. Okay, there is a level, strong level, strong level, strong level. It got support from this level, again it went up, right? So we can expect a reversal in uptrend like this pattern if there is any level. Okay.
Yes, you just taught me that you can understand when the retracement market will finish just through the support and resistance level. A trader told me that there is a way that you can count the number of the candles in a retracement movement.
No.
Always the number of the candles.
We can't expect a number of candles. It's not possible.
He said the number of the candles in an impulsive movement are always, or most of the time, 2 times the number of the candles in a retracement movement.
Yes, sometimes 1 time, sometimes 2 times. Not every time.
Okay. So it's not a valid way to understand when it will finish.
No, we can expect 1 time or 2 times, not more than that. If the market reversed more than that, it means the market is now going down. Okay, in uptrend. Okay. I will show you. So here the trend is right uptrend, right? Here, 1 single candle, 1 single candle, 2 single candle. But here we are seeing at 3 single candle. It means the market is now going down. So we can expect down. Okay, like this. Clear?
Yes,
here
sir.
We are seeing uptrend.
Yes.
Here we are seeing downtrend, right? So
Got
we
it.
can expect 1 or 2 times, not more than that. Here also you can see the trend is uptrend, right? 1 single candle, 2 single candle. After these two single candles, there is no retracement means we can expect a continuation. But this is a level, the trend is uptrend, it reversed from this level and again it went up because the pattern is like this, right? So we can see this pattern on every chart like this. Here also. So here also 2 times, right? So same here also, it reversed here. In uptrend, it reversed here, right? So we can expect a reversal in downtrend or uptrend like this. 2 candles, it reversed again. Okay, 1 time or 2 times we can expect. If the market will reverse more than 2 times, it means the market is now ready to go up, right? Clear?
Got it. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, shall I continue today class?
Sure, sure.
Okay. So on mate I will. So I explained till now some points, the level, the SNR level and the strong level. The strong SNR, we can trust only the strong SNR level. We can't trust any level. This is a level, this is also a level, this is also a level. We can't trust these 3 levels. If that level is a strong level, we can trust. And the next thing is rejection. The rejection is nothing but 15-second confirmation on Olympic trade. If you are trading on IK option, you can take 5-second confirmation for 1 minute candle, 15-second confirmation for 5 minute candle, 10-second confirmation for 2 minute candle. And if you want to take 30-minute candle or 1 hour candle, you will take a confirmation according to the market situation. Okay. So you need to observe the trend and the rejection and the level. Here there is a row number. The row number is showing us the reversal point in the market. Here also there is a row number. Here also there is a row number. Here also there is a row number. If you don't know the reversal point, we can expect a reversal at this row number 2. The row number is showing us the reversal point in the market and the momentum. Very strong sellers entry. There are some strong sellers. It means we can expect a seller's entry again from this level. If the sellers are strong, again we can go with sellers. If the sellers are weak at the strong sellers area, I already told you, if the buyers are strong, if the sellers are weak, we can expect a buyer's entry. If the buyers are weak, if the sellers are strong again, we can expect a reversal again. I already told you this point. So we need to see the strong sellers area and a rejection and a trend and a continuation candles and a reversal candlestick, reversal candle and continuation candle and a entry points. I already told you the entry points. Okay, these are the entry points. The entry points in the market. So these are the entry points. So we can expect a reversal if the market closed at this area like this. If the market closed like this, we can take this pattern. We already know the pattern is after this pattern we can expect a retracement. So the next candle will go down and this is the entry point. So we can expect sellers confidently after this candle. So we need to see the entry point, a strong sellers and buyers area and a strong SNR level and a rejection and a trend and the entry points and a continuation candlestick and a reversal candlestick. So we need to apply all these points according to the market situation. Then we can expect a next candlestick. So can we expect the next candle after this candle? What will be the next candle? Can you guess?
Bearish.
Why?
Because before this doji candle, there is a bearish candle. It doesn't have any shadow above or under it, and it shows that the sellers are strong, and the level is, and it will continue its way to get the level to the support level.
Okay.
And that doji candle is a sign of continuation.
Very good answer. Next.
Yeah, I think it would be bearish.
Oh, okay, just a minute. I will come back. 1 minute. I will come back.
Okay.
آقای شیرسوار
جانم
میشه من یه سوال از شما بپرسم؟
بفرمایید.
من الانم متوجه نشدم این آقا الان گفت با توجه به روند وقتی پترنی مخالف روند باشه یه نوع ریتریسمنت محسوب میشه آخرش؟
بله، تو بازار ترندینگ، نه تو بازار رنج.
بله تو بازار روندار منظورم.
آره.
خیلی ممنون.
حالا من توی کلیپی دیده بودم که یه تریدر میگفت که تعداد کندلا رو میتونید بشمارین که ایشون میگه که نه هم چیزی نیست.
آقا اصلا همچین چیزی چجوری نیست. خود کتاب بن تیلور برید ویدیوش رو نگاه کنید. محل دقیق به اصطلاح تموم شدن یک موج اصلاحی رو قشنگ با شمارش کندلا به شما میگه به صورت دقیق. همچین چیزی چجوری فکر کنم از عروسی برگشتن ایشون اصلا حوصله توضیح
ندارم چون کلیپ ضبط میشه و تو یوتیوب هم میذارن اسم تریدر نیاریم، ولی ایشون هم گفتش که 60 تا 70% این امکان وجود داره، نگفت همیشه. ولی آقای دسوزا میگن که با خطوط فقط حمایت مقاومت میشه مشخص کرد که کجا اون اصلاحیه تموم میشه، باز اون ایمپالسیو شروع میشه.
Hello.
Yes.
Help me your answer.
بچه‌ها جواب بدین. آقایی که می‌خواستین جواب بدین، آقای حسین آقا.
Yes, I think it will be the bearish, and because it already broke the level and it's far from the buyer's area.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
دیگه بچه‌ها جواب. جانم. My friend says that would be a bearish one because first it's a downtrend, and the next reason is that there is a gap to the level.
Okay. Like this?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good answer. Next.
دیگه بچه‌ها نظرتون چیه؟
Is there anyone to go with buyers after this candle?
میگه کسی میتونه بگه که کندل بعد سبزه؟ چرا؟
بله، چون بعد از یک کندلی که هیچ شادویی نداشته و هیچ ریجکتی نداشته در این بازار، یک کندل بسیار ضعیف رو میبینیم. من فکر میکنم فروشنده ها در این قسمت خیلی خیلی ضعیفن و احتمالاً کندل بعدی سبز خواهند بود.
My friend says because of that doji candle, it shows that the sellers are not strong enough. Okay. So the next candle would be a bullish one.
Okay. Is there anyone on the left side to go with buyers? Is there anyone buyers?
میگه کسایی هستن که بخوان بگن کندل بعد سبز میشه، با خریدارها بخوان ترید بکنن.
Is there any buyers on the left side of the closing part of this candle?
ببخشید.
To go with buyers? Is there any buyers?
میگن خریدار اینجا وجود داره که بخوایم با
No, there is none.
Then why how can you go with buyers confidently?
فقط من به جهت مومنتوم و مقایسه بدنی کندل ها و شادوش گفتم. ببینید آقای شیرسوار، معادله یکم برای من پیچیده است. چیزی که من میبینم کندل قبلی یک کندل بدون شادو و خیلی خیلی قدرتمنده. کندل فعلی نزولی یک کندل ضعیف با بدنه خیلی کوچیک، شادوی پایینی بزرگ، شادوی بالایی خیلی خیلی کوچیک. فکر میکنم کندل بعدی سبز.
My friend says I said a bullish candle not because of the buyer zone, just because of the doji candle. It's not
because
strong.
Of the rejection
so
only.
Excuse me?
Because of the rejection only, right?
No, he says because that doji candle shows that the sellers are not strong.
Okay. If the sellers are not strong, you can go with buyers, right?
He said that, yes.
right?
بالاخره یا فروشنده است یا خریدار دیگه.
If the sellers are not strong, we can't go with buyers all the time. We need confirmation and a level.
Okay, very good answer. So I already told you, okay, these candles, we can expect a reversal if there is any level, right? We can expect a reversal if there is any level. If there is no level, we can't expect a reversal, right? If the candle is not a reversal candle, it means this is not a reversal. If this is not a reversal, how can we go with buyers? Yes, tell me.
میگن اگر این کندل ریورسال نباشه، یعنی به خط استثنا رو برخورد نکرده باشه، چجوری میشه با خریدارها همراه شد و معامله خرید باز کرد؟
آقای شیرسوار تو 10,000 تا جای چارت هم میشه مثال زد که قیمت وقتی برگشته که اصلا به هیچ خط استثنایی برخورد نکرده یا به اون
شما الان به خاطر شادوش دارین میگین فقط؟
نه، به خاطر شادوش نیست، به خاطر سایز بدنی کندلا و مومنتوم که من میگم.
He says just because the sellers are not strong enough, that doji candle shows that the sellers are not strong enough, so I go with buyers.
ممکنه من اشتباه کنم، بالاخره ایشون میتونن خیلی راحت توضیح بدن اگر من اشتباه کردم.
Okay, no problem. Very good answer. So you can go with buyers too, but you need to analyze the market too. 1 minute, I will explain clearly. So the buyers are here, right? So we can expect a seller's entry, but there is no seller's entry. It means the sellers are not interested. So it means we can go with buyers, because after this strong selling pressure, the next candle will be a bearish candle, but instead of bearish candle, we are seeing a doji candlestick. It means we are seeing a doji candle because of the equal pressure from buyers and sellers. It means the sellers are not enough, like this, and like this. So if the sellers are not enough, we can go with buyers. But we need to see on the left side for this level. If there are any buyers, we can go with buyers confidently on the next candle. So here on it, so we are seeing a buyer's entry without strong lower rejection. If there is no strong lower rejection, it means no sellers are interested. We are seeing a buyer's entry without upper rejection. This is a monster pattern, but there is no upper rejection, means we can expect a buyer's entry again. But after this candle, we can expect a buyer's entry again. But instead of buyer's entry, we are seeing a seller's entry. It means the buyers are not interested because there is no upper rejection, there is no lower rejection. No lower rejection means no buyers are interested still. So we can expect seller's entry. Again, we are seeing a seller's entry, but the sellers are very weak and the buyers are not enough to make a bullish candle. But the buyers are here. The buyers are here. And we are seeing the buyers directly here, right? We are seeing the buyers directly here. We are seeing the buyers indirectly here. We are seeing the buyers indirectly here. The direct buyers are here. Here also some buyers, but we are not seeing the buyers directly. So the buyers are here means the market may continue at least to this level. The buyers are here. We are seeing the buyers directly means the market may continue at least to this level, right? Because the market reversed in the middle of the trend. This is a pattern, right? Clear?
Clear, sir.
So the buyers are here actually. Wait, I will show you. The buyers are here actually. But we are seeing the buyer's candle here from this level. A direct buyer's entry, a indirect buyer's entry, a indirect buyer's entry, a direct buyer's entry. So we can expect a reversal here. We can expect a reversal here, or we can expect a reversal here, not here. So after this candle, we can expect a buyer's entry too, but there is no buyer's entry. A strong seller's entry, again a seller's entry, but the sellers are very weak, but there is no support level here to go with buyers confidently. If there are any support level at the closing point of this candle, we can go with buyers confidently. I already told you there is a rejection from buyers, but we need a additional confirmation to go with buyers confidently. If the candle closed here, we can go with buyers confidently. But if the candle closed here, it means we can't go with buyers confidently, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So we can expect a seller's entry again, not a buyer's. If you want to place here a lower option, you can place a lower option mostly, not a higher option. Okay. Now,
okay.
Can you guess what will be the next candle here?
Again, a bearish one.
Why?
That candle is a sign of continuation, and there is a gap. There is a shadow.
Okay.
So it will. Next one, 70% is possible that the next one would be a bearish one to fill that gap.
Okay, very good. Next.
بچه‌ها candle بعد چیه؟
Why?
Bullish snaps. He says 70% it's possible that the next one would be a bullish one.
Who said this answer?
اسمتون رو بگین آقای.
Yes. Just tell me the answer. Tell me the reason.
دلیل. He said because the gap has been filled and it's in the buyer's area, buyer's zone.
This one, closing point.
Yes.
The closing point is at the buyer's area.
He said that, yes.
How can I saying the closing point is at the buyer's area? The buyers are here, right?
Yes. میگن که خریدارا که پایینن چجوری میتونید بگید که اون تو منطقه خریدارا بسته شده؟ He said I just because of the shadow I thought that maybe the buyers are
don't see the shadow. Okay, 1 minute. Explain him my
Sure.
my answer. So
Sure.
don't see the shadows. The shadows are very common in uptrend and downtrend. Okay, this is the uptrend. We are seeing the shadows, right?
Yes.
If the trend is uptrend, we can see the rejections from sellers, right? If the trend is uptrend, we can see the buyers pressure too, right? So here
Yes.
also we are seeing the buyers pressure and a rejection from sellers too. Here we are seeing a buyers pressure and a rejection from sellers too. Here also we are seeing a buyer pressure, but we are seeing the buyers indirectly, right?
Yes.
We are seeing the buyers indirectly. If the buyers are strong, we can see a bullish candle, right? If the buyers are strong, then the sellers, we can expect a bullish candle. But still we are seeing a bearish candle. It means the buyers are not strong. The first reason. And the second reason is the candle closing point is at the candle closing is not at the buyer's area. The candle closing point is at the far from the buyer's area. It means we can expect a continuation. Just now I explained this pattern, right? This candle.
Yes.
If the candle closed, the buyers are here, the sellers are here, so we can expect seller's entry, right?
Yeah.
A simple logic. We know not all anything. And the other logic is the trend is down, right? And the next one is we are seeing a seller's entries, right? We are seeing on minute. We are seeing here a seller's entry, right? Seller's entry. Still the market closing point is next opening price is here, right? The next opening price is at the seller's entry point, far from the buyer's entry point. So again, we can expect seller's entry, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Explain him.
میگن که آقا مشتبه میگن که خیلی به سایه ها چیز نکنید چون سایه ها همه جای بازار هستن، خیلی کامن، خیلی رایجن همه جای بازار. منتها اینجا من این پترن قبلا براتون توضیح دادم که این پترن اینجا سایه زیر کندل نشون میده که خریدارها غیر مستقیم وارد شدن، ولی خود بدنه کندل خیلی فاصله داره تا منطقه خریدارها. بنابراین کندل بعدی میاد. آره برای اینکه اون گپ رو پر بکنه. بله بله.
آقای شیرسوار لطفا بهش متذکر بشید که بعدا دوبله میکنید، چون اینجوری فکر کنم زمان ویدیو چیزی حدود 24 ساعت و 2 دقیقه میشه، بعدا دوبلش
نه مشکل نداره. خب خواستن
مشکل میشه.
Thank you, sir. I explained to him.
Yes. Can you guess what will be the next candle here? If the trend is downtrend.
کندل بعدی چی؟ اگه یک روند نزولی باشه کندل بعد چی میتونه باشه؟
نزولی.
He said a
bearish
one.
candle.
If the trend is downtrend, what will be the next candle?
تو روند نزولی کندل بعد چی میتونه باشه؟
ایشون خودشون گفتن اگه پت موافق پت مخالف روند باشه اون میشه اصلاحی ریتریسمنت، پس کندل بعدی میشه نزول.
My friend said
bullish.
Okay.
Yes. Bullish. Why?
Yeah.
Bearish. Why?
آقای شیرسوار ببین بولیش کندل به خاطر اینکه باید بره بالاتر از اون ناحیه فروشنده ها بسته بشه، بعد برگرده ریتریس میکنه. Okay.
He said the bullish. I think next one would be a bullish candle because the next candle should go up and it will touch the seller's area and then get back again.
Just a minute. I will repeat again. Okay, here I have drawn. Okay, I have drawn these two candles before 30 minutes, and I told you, I asked you what is the next candle, but you said that if the trend is downtrend, the next candle will go down. If the trend is uptrend, the next candle will go up according to this candle psychology. If you combine these two candles, the next candle will be a bearish hammer candlestick, right? You said this
Yes.
answer, right?
Yes.
If the trend is downtrend, what will be the next candle?
نزولی.
نه چه کندلی میتونه باشه؟ اگه روند سعودی باشه این دوتا کندل رو با هم دیگه چیز بکنیم میشه یک کندل چکش. اگر روند نزولی باشه چه کندلی شکل میگیره؟ ترکیب این دو کندل چه کندلی میشه؟
ریاضیات کندل است که نمیدونم جواب فکر کنم سعودی میشه به این شکل اگه اینجوری باشه.
It may be I don't know, maybe a inverted hammer, or I mean the combination of these two candles in a downtrend, or maybe a spinning top.
Okay, I'm not asking you about which type of candle. I'm asking you what will be the next candle. Is it a bullish candle or bearish candle?
In a downtrend, it's
bearish
maybe
candle.
a bearish one.
Bearish candle,
Can I
right?
answer?
Yes.
I think it's a downtrend, and the sellers are very strong. I think it's go down again.
Right. What will be the answer from your side?
He said that the sellers are stronger than buyers, and the next one
Okay,
would be a bearish one.
I'm asking you, what is
okay.
your answer? First, listen carefully. The trend is downtrend. Okay.
Yes.
And leave this trend. And by analyzing these two candles, who are more stronger in the market?
The sellers are stronger, and I think the bullish candle, that bullish candle is a retracement movement.
Okay.
And
What will be the next candle?
The next one would be a bearish one.
What will be the next candle after this candle?
After this candle would be again a bearish.
Bearish, right? So by adding these two candles, if you add these two candles, so if you add these two candles, we can draw the candle like this, right?
Yes.
This is a rejection. This is a body, right? Clear? This
Yes,
is
sir.
a body. This is a body. This is a rejection. So if you add these two candles, you can draw the candle like this, right?
Yes, sir.
If the trend is downtrend, it will continue the downtrend, right? If the trend is uptrend, it will continue the uptrend, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So if the trend
Yes,
is
sir.
downtrend, what will be the next candle after this candle?
Bearish.
Clear?
Yes.
So we can expect bearish candle, right? Not a bullish candle.
Yes, sir. Got it.
You got it? So here,
Yes, sir.
now can you guess what will be the next candle here?
Bearish.
Yes, again.
Bearish.
نزولی همه بگن نزولی.
Bearish. It's a bearish
Yes.
candle.
What will be the next candle now?
Bearish.
Everyone?
Everybody says bearish.
Same
Bearish.
answer. Someone told his answer like bullish candle.
کسی گفت bullish?
Clear this answer.
No.
همه گفتن بیاریش.
No.
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 Everybody says.
Still your answer is bullish, right? Bullish or
Everybody
bearish?
says bearish. Nobody said bullish.
No. Is it clear now?
Yes,
آقا
sir.
من
Yes.
Yes.
So according to this candle, the next candle will be a bearish candle. This is one reason. The trend is downtrend. Here also we are seeing a bearish momentum. So the next candle will go down. And this is the seller's entry point. The buyer's entry point is here. The closing point is far from the buyer's area, right? So again we can expect a seller's entry because of this seller's entry, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
there is no chance to go with buyers here. The only one chance is rejection. There is no other reason to go with buyers, right? Because if the candle closed here, we can go with buyers, right? If the candle 1 minute, if this is a buyer's area, if the candle closed here, the candle closing point is at the level at the seller's buyer's area, we can go with buyers. But the candle closed far from the buyer's area, how can we go with buyers? Even there is a rejection. So always we can place here a lower option. Sometimes it will go up, but mostly it will go down. Okay? Because there is no 100% sure strategy, sure short too. So mostly it will go down 90% of the time, more than the 90% of the time it will go down. Sometimes it will go up to. We can't expect the market 100%. It will go up to, but it's not our mistake. Even if the market went up, if the market goes up, then don't worry, always place a lower option. Okay, here we have a chance from sellers and the closing point is far from the level, so we can expect a seller's entry. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, can you guess what the next candle now?
Bearish candle.
Why?
After
Yes.
this one, that would be a bullish one
Why?
because it closes above the level. Actually, the rejection is under the level.
Okay.
And because of the rejection, I take the rejection as a confirmation candle, and the next one would be a bullish one.
Okay, this is a buyer's area, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
بچه‌ها جواب بدین.
Same
Yeah,
answer.
I think
Bullish candle.
Why?
Because we had the rejection from the level, so it's gonna be a bullish candle.
چون کلوز کندل نزدیک زون بایر هاست، پس کندل بعدی سعودیه.
Okay, very good answer.
he's-
Next. Yes.
yes, in this situation, I expect that the next candle will be a actually bullish one, but I'm sorry, bearish one. But I usually don't enter here because it may go up.
So you can go with
Yes,
buyers or
sir.
sellers.
Mr. Dsouza,
Yes.
I have seen in Forex sometimes that the long shadow, the buyer's area,
Okay.
the sellers wants to go to that point. They push pressure to go to that point. I think it will continue the bearish one.
Bearish one, why?
چرا؟
Because of this one.
I've seen in Forex sometimes. Yes,
there is no difference. There is no difference between Forex and bind options candlesticks.
Yes.
Both are
But
same.
most of the time when I see the charts, it will continue to reach that point, the long shadow, that the buyers are there.
Okay. It will continue if the market will reverse in the middle of the trend. The market will break this level easily. Okay. The market will break this level easily. But
yes,
here we are seeing some buyers entries. The buyers are interested in the market. And mate, I will show you. Here, the rejections is showing us the buyers are interested in the market, right? Here we are seeing a strong buyers entry without upper rejection. Again, it got support and again a strong buyers entry. It means some strong buyers are interested, right? The buyers are interested in the market. There is no lower rejection. There is a small lower rejection. It means the sellers are not enough at this area, right? The buyers are very strong. From the same level, we are seeing a rejection, again a rejection, again a strong rejection. The candle couldn't break this level, right? The candle couldn't break this level. It means the sellers are not strong to break this level, right? Raja?
yes.
The sellers are not strong to break this level. The first point. And the second point is we are seeing a rejections from buyers, not the rejection from sellers, right? There is no rejection from sellers, but we are seeing a rejection from buyers continuously. The buyers are trying to dominate the market, but they failed. Again, they're trying to dominate the market. Again, they are trying to dominate the market. But now the closing point of these candles are the buyers area. So there is a rejection. So the rejection is showing us the buyer center in the market. The closing point is at the buyers area. So we can take this week as a buying pressure, and the candle is looking like a reversal sign. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Yes,
the
sir.
candle is looking like a reversal sign, and the buyers are very strong. Still, we are seeing a rejection from buyers. So we can expect a buyer's entry at least for 1 minute. Okay? Or we can expect a doji candlestick, or we can expect a weak bullish candle, or we can expect a strong bullish candle too because of this strong buyer's entry. So whatever it is, we can expect a buyer's entry, not a seller's entry. Clear, Reja?
Clear.
Okay. So this is a reversal sign, a rejection from buyers. The rejection is showing us the buyers entry in the market. Buyers are interested in the market. This is a buyers area. I already told you there is a buyers entry. This is a buyers area. So if we get any additional confirmation like SNR level, we can go with buyers confidently, right? Mataja? I already told you this one, right?
Yes, sir.
So there is a additional confirmation from buyers, a support level, so we can go with buyers confidently. And from this level, we are seeing a buyer's entry. The candle close point are the buyer's entry point. This is a buyer's area. So we can expect a buyer's entry at least for 1 minute. Okay, we are seeing a buyer's entry, that too a strong buyer's entry. What will be the next candle?
Bullish candle.
Why?
Because the rejection above this candle is not very strong, but the rejection under this candle is kind of shows that the buyers are interested to enter the market. So I think next one would be another bullish candle.
Okay, very good. Is there any other reason?
Any other reason for a bullish one?
Is there any other reason to go with buyers? You said
and
there is no upper rejection strongly, but is there
Yes.
any other reason?
It's a retracement movement.
Is there any
No,
other
there
reason?
is,
Yes.
there is no shadow up.
Okay. And
Very small shadow you can see. Because of that, the sellers are very weak.
okay, the buyers are strong.
Yes, the buyers are strong.
Okay, and
an engulf candle.
Engulfing candle. Okay.
There is no upper rejection, and if we look at the past movement from the bulls, again we see a strong bulls there.
Here
so
also,
I think,
right?
yeah. The next candle also shows that the bulls are really strong in this area.
Okay.
And the bears are a bit weak in this area, so I think the next candle will be bullish.
Okay, very good answer.
And double bottom.
We are seeing a double bottom pattern too, right?
Oh yes, sir.
Double bottom, engulfing candle, no upper rejection, right?
Yes, sir.
So, is there anyone to go with sellers after this candle?
کسی میتونه بگه که بعد این کندل ممکنه کندل قرمز باشه؟
خواهشی سواریشون گفتن در روند نزولی وقتی یک کندل مخالف روند رو میبینیم، الان این بولیش اینگولفینگه، روندم نزولیه، پس بازم این احتمال وجود داره که کندل بعدی باشه.
My friend says because the trend is downtrend, and it is possible that the next one would be a bearish one.
Yes. So
according
to this trend, very strong bearish momentum, the engulfing pattern doesn't work sometimes. I already told you this point. But here we have another reason is a strong buyers area. From this strong buyers area, again we are seeing a strong buyers entry and a double top pattern, and there is no upper rejection. So here we have a double top pattern, one reason, a engulfing pattern, second reason, there is no upper rejection, a third reason. So we have three possibilities here to win if we go with buyers. But here we have only one possibility according to his analysis. If there is any strong downtrend, where there is any strong bearish momentum, if you get any engulfing candle, it doesn't work, right? One reason, one possibility to go down is the engulfing pattern doesn't work in bearish momentum, right?
Yes, sir.
One possibility. Can we go with one possibility, or we can go with three possibilities? We can follow three possibilities, or we can follow one possibility.
Surely three possibilities.
Three.
To win, we should follow more possibilities, right?
Yes.
If we go with more possibilities, there are more chances to win. If you follow one possibility, there are less possibilities to win, right? So we have only one reason here to go with sellers is the engulfing pattern doesn't work in bearish momentum. Only one possibility. But here we have a strong buyers area. A strong buyers area. Again, we are seeing a strong buyers entry. No upper rejection means no sellers are interested. Engulfing pattern means the buyers are very strong with compared to sellers, right? We have so many possibilities here to go with buyers. We have only less possibilities to go with sellers. So it's better to follow more possibilities, right?
Yes, sir.
So we can go with buyers, not with sellers, because if we go with sellers, there are few possibilities to win. But if you go with buyers, there are more possibilities to win, right? So now again,
Yes,
we are seeing a strong buyers entry. Can you guess what the next candle here?
کندل بعد چی میتونه باشه بچه‌ها؟
نزولی.
He says a bearish one.
Why?
به سلرزون ها و به منطقه فروش نزدیک شده دیگه.
He says it touches the actually seller's area.
Okay. Very good. The trend also downtrend, right?
Yes.
And is there any reason?
دلیل دیگه هم وجود
یه
داره.
دابل تاپ هم هست اونجا.
He says
Yes.
the double top.
Double top, already we are seeing a double top here. So
No,
after
double
this double top,
bottom.
after this double bottom pattern, we can expect a buyer's entry. So after this double bottom pattern, we can expect a buyer's entry here, not here. We can expect a buyer's entry at least for 1 minute. But after this double pattern also, we can expect a bearish entry too. But according to the market situation, we can go with sellers, we can go with buyers. But in this market situation, the candle is showing us the market wants to go up, right? According to this candle psychology, we can expect a buyer's entry. So we need to see the market situation too. Here, there is a seller's area, the trend is downtrend. So, and the candle also very strong candle. Can you guess what is the next candle here?
The line you just drew, is that supposed to be a strong SNR?
We don't know how strong the level is. There is a reversal point in the market. To know the strong level, we need to see the past history. But we are not seeing here a past history. It means we don't know how strong the level is. There is a level and there is a strong seller's area too. This is a strong seller's area. Yes.
So it is possible the next one would be a bearish candle.
Okay, very good. Tell me the reason.
Because that's the seller's area.
Okay.
And the lower rejection under this candle shows that the sellers are actually interested to enter the market.
Okay, very good.
And I think I won't place a trade here, but I think the next one would be a bearish one.
Okay, very good answer. Next.
Yeah, I think it will go up. It will go more up and easily break this level. And because I'm seeing new higher high.
Okay.
And getting momentum for the bulls.
Okay. And
it will be bearish. Yes. I think it's like range market.
Okay. No upper rejection, right?
من فکر می‌کنم به سعودی باشه، چون که هایر لو داریم اینجا، الگوی هایر لو رو می‌بینیم و این کندل هم شادوی بالا ضعیف‌تر و شادوی پایین قوی‌تر هست.
My friend says next one would be a bullish one because there is no upper rejection here.
Okay.
And I see a higher high pattern.
Higher low.
Higher low pattern, sorry.
The higher
yes,
low.
I think I said higher high. I meant higher low. I'm
strong
sorry.
Buyers, no upper rejection, right? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, next one.
بچه‌ها بگین.
من فکر می‌کنم سعودی باشه.
My friend says the next one would be a small bullish candle.
Why?
چرا؟ He says, I think that SNR is not strong enough, then it will be a breakout maybe.
Okay. Very good. Next. Next one.
بچه‌ها جواب بدین.
منم فکر میکنم آقا منتظر سعودی باید باشه، چون که یه پترن دبلیون شکل گرفته.
He says next one would be a bullish one because of the double top pattern.
Okay.
و اینکه خط روند نزولی هم پرقدرت شکسته.
And it has broken the trend line.
Yes. Okay, very good. Is there anyone to go with sellers or buyers?
I would go with sellers.
Sellers. Okay, very good.
Yes.
So here we are seeing a breakout candlestick. After this breakout, we are seeing still a buyer center. It means no sellers are interested. But the candle closing point is at the sellers area. In this candle, if you observe this candle, there is no upper rejection, means no buyers are interested. We are seeing the sellers directly on this candle. At this level, we are seeing the sellers directly. We are seeing a bearish momentum. So because of this bearish momentum, we can expect a bearish candle again from this level. And the trend also a downtrend. So the trend is downtrend. There are some strong sellers. So we can expect a seller's entry. And here there is a seller's entry. We are seeing a breakout candlestick. After this breakout candlestick, no sellers are interested. We are seeing a dietary buyer's entry. It means the buyers will continue in the market and there is no upper rejection too. No upper rejection means no sellers are interested at this strong sellers area. You can see here there is no upper rejection means no buyers are interested. But here there is no upper rejection means no sellers are interested. So it may go down because of this strong seller's entry. It may go up because there is no rejection and we are seeing a breakout candlestick of this double top pattern. Of this engulfing pattern, there is no retracement. Again, we are seeing a strong buyer's entry. So it will go up, it will go down. So this is a 50-50 chances. We can't go with buyers, we can't go with sellers. But if we want to go with, if you want to place a trade, it's better to place a lower option. It's better to place a lower option because this is a strong seller's entry and the trend is downtrend here. So we can expect a seller's entry from this level. But this is an indecision market. If you see this type of indecision market, then avoid to place your trade. Wait for the next candle and place your trade. But you can expect a seller's entry from this level, not a buyer's entry mostly. Because this is a strong seller's area. But we are seeing a buyer's entry. Can you guess what is the next candle here?
سعودی.
He said
Bullish or bearish? Bullish, why?
بگین چرا
کاملا مشخصه دیگه، کاملا مشخصه تا به اصطلاح سلر زون بعدی که همون کندل دوجی و نزولی پیش میره، چون مومنتوم سعودی بالا هستش. ممکنه البته بریک اوت ها میگن، ایشون میگن 70% بریک اوت، بازم 50-50 چون 70% بریک اوت.
Okay, he said the next one would be a bullish one because it will continue its way to get to the level.
Okay, this one?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, very good. And is there anyone to ask to go with buyers?
Yeah, I think it will go more up because it's looked like a three soldier pattern to me, and yep, it will go up.
Okay, very good. Next. Yes.
بچه‌ها جواب بدین. He said, my friend said because of the high rejection, I think there would be a small bearish candle.
Okay, very good. Very good answer. Next.
بچه‌ها جواب نمیدین؟
من فکر می‌کنم سعودی باید باشه کندل بعدی، چون دائما داریم می‌بینیم که خریدارها در حال ضعیف شدنن، فروشنده ها، و خریدارها در حال قوی تر شدن هست نسبت به موج قبلی.
He said next one would be a bullish one because it shows that the buyers are strong but the sellers are getting weaker.
Yes. It compared to rejections, the body is very strong, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Next.
دیگه No more answers.
No more answers. Okay, very good. So the sellers are here. We can go with sellers confidently from this level. And the sellers are here. We can go with sellers from this level confidently. But there is no upper rejection. It means no sellers are interested. That's why we are seeing a bullish candle again. It means no sellers are interested here. No sellers are interested here. Buyers are interested at this area. But the sellers are interested here. The sellers are interested here means the sellers are here now. They changed their entry point from here to here. And there is a rejection. We can expect sellers entry too. But we are seeing a bullish momentum, that too very strong bullish momentum. Still a strong bullish candle, a strong bullish candle. And here also a strong bullish candle, but there is a rejection. There is a rejection means it may go down too sometimes. Still we are seeing a Indian market. Because of this rejection it may go down. Because of this buying pressure it may go up to. And because of this breakout it may go down too sometimes. Still we are seeing a Indian market. But if you want to place here a trade, it's better to place a higher option because we are seeing a bullish momentum and the next sellers are here. There is a gap. There is a gap and the candle broke this level very strongly. No sellers are interested. Now the sellers are here. There is a gap. So it may continue to this level at least for 1 minute. At least for 1 minute, it will continue the market and it will go up at least to this level. So we can expect a buyer's entry at least for 1 minute, but it will go down too. But because of this buying pressure, it will continue. Mostly it will continue. Sometimes it will reverse. Okay, again we are seeing a buyer's entry. Can you guess what is the next candle?
He said that would be a bullish one again.
Bullish one again. Why?
هنوز به لول به اصطلاح فروشنده ها نرسیده. در ثانی بدنی کندل اون بدنی ضعیفی نیست که بگیم خریدارا ضعیف شدن و دیگه فروشنده ها وارد بشن.
Okay, he said that it will go more up to get to the level.
Okay. Next.
Yeah, I think it will go more up, and this is a sign of a continuation, but I usually don't enter here. I'll wait for the right moment.
Okay, very good. Next.
Yes, it will go.
What about you, Mortaja?
Yes, sir.
What about you?
I think it will go more up to get to the level. And okay. Just again, because of the high rejection, there is a gap. And as my friend said, it's better not to place your trade here. But if I want to place a trade, I will place a higher option.
Okay, here 1 minute I will show you. From this level, you can see the market is moving like this. Okay, here lower low and lower high and higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, no higher high, no lower low. It means this is an indication, but from this level we are seeing a higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But we can expect a lower low, but there is no lower low. Instead of lower low, we are seeing a higher high. It means the market is now ready to go up. So from this level, we are seeing a higher high, lower low, lower higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and the next reversal point is here. Even if we get any higher high here like this, 1 minute, even if we get any higher high like this, we can expect a reversal, not a continuation, because the higher high is showing us the selling pressure because the candle closing point is at the seller's area. if the candle closing point of the seller's area, we can take this week as a selling pressure because the candle closing point is of the seller's area. So here still we are seeing a high, low, high, low, high, low, and high. And we can expect a low and we can expect a high until to next reversal point. So you need to observe this point too. So I will explain how to take the higher lows and the higher highs in the next coming session. You don't have to worry. So you need to observe these higher highs and the higher lows too. So here a reversal point, but here we are seeing a breakout candlestick, and the next reversal point is here. There is a gap. So we can expect a buyer's entry, and we are seeing a strong bullish momentum in the market. Still the buyers are strong. The rejection is not enough to go with sellers. And the closing point is not at the seller's area to go with sellers too. Right? If the candle closing point of the seller's area, we can go with sellers because of this rejection. But the candle closing point is at the far from the seller's area. We are seeing a bullish momentum and there is no enough sellers to go with sellers. Right?
Yes, sir.
So we can expect a buyer's entry here. Again, we are seeing a buyer's entry. Can you guess what is the next candle
now? Again, a bullish.
Why?
Because there is a gap. It's far from the level.
Okay.
And next candle would.
Is there any other reason? Gap.
Reason.
There is a gap. And next.
Yes.
دقیقه بعدیش higher high and higher low.
Okay. Next.
This is a spinning top and it means continuation.
Continuation. Next. Bullish momentum. Right?
Yes, sir.
Bullish momentum. There is a gap and the candle closing point is far from the level. If the candle closing point is far from the level, it means the market will continue. Right? That minor trend is uptrend. Right? We have so many reasons, but we have only one reason to go with sellers is there is a rejection from sellers. Right? We can't go with one reason, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So we can go with buyers. Is there anyone to go with sellers from this level?
Yes, sometimes this confuses me. This confuses me. That shadow before the last candle.
Okay.
The closing point of the last candle. Yes. The closing point of the last candle is right at the shadow.
Yes. Yes, this is a rejection from sellers, but we don't know whether there is a seller or not on the left side, right? Right?
Right, but I mean the next candle.
And one thing also, actually this is a breakout candlestick, right? After this breakout candlestick, we are seeing a rejection. So we can expect a seller's entry. Instead of sellers, we are seeing a buyer's entry. What does it mean?
معنیش اینه که خریدارا خیلی قوی تر از فروشنده هستن.
My friend says it means that the buyers are more stronger
than the sellers. No sellers are interested, right? The sellers are not enough to make a bearish candle, right?
Yes, sir.
It means a continuation. Clear?
Yes.
Who asked this question?
Yeah, that was me.
Yes. Okay. Mafi, right? Harim Mafi.
Right.
Clear?
Some kind of clear. I mean, I didn't get my answer.
Yes, ask me a question again.
Yeah, you see the last candle, the spinning top one, right?
Yes.
The closing point of that is right at the shadow.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This confuses me.
Yeah, this is a rejection.
This is the sellers, right?
There are some sellers, but not. Or mate, I will show you. Yeah, there are some sellers, right? And there are some sellers. We are seeing
Right.
sellers indirectly. I already told you. We can see so many rejections in the market, but we can't go with sellers or buyers with rejections unless we need a additional confirmation from buyers and sellers, right? I already told you this one. So there is a rejection from sellers. There is a rejection from sellers, but we don't know whether there are some strong sellers or not, right? Or we don't know whether there is any price action on the left side, right? We don't know, but we know there is a price action from sellers at this area, not here, right? Got it?
Right. Right. Yeah. Yeah.
We know the seller's price action is here, not here. And one thing, if you see a rejection, the rejection is not enough to go with buyers, right? Because the body is very strong. The buyers are strong with compared to sellers, right? That's why still we are seeing a buyers. If still we are seeing a buyers, it means the sellers are not strong, right? If the sellers are strong, after this rejection, we can expect a bearish candle like this, right? But instead of bearish candle, we are seeing a bullish candle. What does it mean?
Yeah, it means the bulls are more stronger.
Right? Then buyers, then sellers, right?
Right, right.
And there is a gap. This is a continuation sign, right? So we can expect buyers enter again. And we are seeing a bullish momentum. The bullish momentum is showing us the buyers are strong in the market. Right? Clear?
Yes, yes, yes.
So
Thank you.
what will be the next candle here?
Yeah, it will go more up.
It will go more up. Confidently, right?
Yep.
Okay, very good. So I will show you the next candle here. Okay, the next candle is a bullish candle. Can you guess what will be the next candle? Yes. Now tell me your answer.
Yes, most
Mafi.
70% you said after breakout, maybe it will go down.
Okay, very good. And is there any reason to go with sellers?
And the rejection, the upper rejection is a good reason for the bearish candle. The next candle will be a bearish candle.
Okay, very good. Is there any other reason?
Any other reason?
Strong
No,
sellers.
I can't think of something else.
Strong sellers. We are seeing a breakout of strong sellers. Okay. Right.
آقای شیرسوار اینجا بازم 50-50 چون یه طرف بعد از اون کندل ضعیف قوی یه همچین کندلی با یه همچین بدنه قوی میاد 70% بریک اوت ها به اصطلاح فیل در میاد یه جورایی 50-50 واقعا.
My friend said it's 50-50 because the last candle was a spinning top, small one, but this one is a strong one, so I think it's 50-50.
Okay, very good. Okay, if you don't have any confidence on your trades, then avoid it. Okay, there are some strong sellers, there are some strong buyers. It means it's better to avoid. Wait for the next candle and place your trade. Okay, right? But here, if you can analyze the market, a strong sellers, we are seeing a breakout of strong sellers. There is a rejection, right? And from this level, already we are seeing a rejection from sellers, and the sellers are interested here. This is a strong sellers area, and the closing point is near to strong sellers area, so we can expect a reversal. Okay, this is a bullish momentum. It will go up to F50 chances. So we can go with sellers, we can go with buyers, but it's better to place here a lower option, not a higher option, because of this very strong sellers entry. And we are seeing a seller's entry. If there is no upper rejection, we can go with buyers. Or if there is any small rejection like this or small rejection like this, we can go with buyers. But there is a rejection and the candle closing point is near to seller's area, so we can expect a reversal too. But if this is a 50-50 chances, then avoid it. Wait for the next candle and place your trade. Okay. Okay, according to your answer, we can take this 50-50 answer, 50-50 chances. So we can't decide anything. So we can wait for the next candle, place our trade. Okay, we are seeing a bearish candle. Can you guess what will be the next candle now?
سعودی.
Yes.
My friend said a bullish one.
Why?
چرا آقای مامی؟
یه جورایی برای من البته اون یه پول بک به اون همون لول محسوب میشه و بعد اون مومنتوم صعود ادامه پیدا.
He said because of the strong momentum, the uptrend, and that would be a pullback, and I think the trend will continue its way.
Okay, very good. And next?
It will go more up.
Why?
Again, it's a pull. Yes, the red one is a pullback.
Pullback.
Yes, it's a retracement.
Next.
من فکر کنم نزولی بعدش بریش کنده، چون فشار فروشنده ها بیش از خریداران بود. شهدوها اینو به ما میگن و کلوز کندل هم پایین تر از اوپنش هست.
My friend says because of the higher rejections of the previous candles, it shows that the sellers are entering the market.
Okay, very good.
من میگم آقا مرتضی احتمالاً به خاطر هم مومنتوم صعودی میشه، همین که خودشون تو اول جلسه گفتن این یه الگو هرامیه تو ادامه روند که فکر کنم الان بولیش میشه. چون از کندل قبل از این کندل قبل قرمزه کندل قوی سبز داریم، بعدش اون قرمز ما دوباره ادامه روند به سمت صعود داریم.
My friend said it's a Harami candle, and because of the powerful uptrend, so it will go more up.
Okay, very good answer. What will be your answer, Mataja?
I think the next one would be a bullish one.
Okay.
Because a bearish.
Why?
It is more possible that it will go down because the body of the last candle, the red one, it's an inverted hammer, and the body closes near the buyer's area, far from the sellers.
Okay, very good. So this is a reversal sign, right? This one.
Yes, sir.
This is a continuation sign, right?
Yes, sir.
So here also this is a reversal sign. This is a continuous reversal sign, right? So this is a continuation sign because it closed far from the level, right?
Yes, sir.
So if the candle closed like this, you can place here. Can you place here a lower option or a higher option after this candle? If this is a support level.
After the bullish one or
after this doji candle. If this is a support level, if the candle closed below the support level, what will be the next candle?
I think bullish because it's a reversal pattern.
No, you can expect a reversal if the candle closed above the support level. 1 minute I will show you. If the candle closed above the support level, you can expect a reversal. Okay? If the candle closed below the support level, just now I already told in another pattern, another chart, this candle is not a reversal sign, right?
Okay.
This is not a reversal sign because it closed below the support level, right? This is not a reversal sign. If this is not a reversal sign, we can take this candle as a continuation sign, right?
Yes.
Right. This is not a reverse sign. What does it mean? So it may continue the market. It may continue the market, right? If this is not a reversal sign, it may continue the market, right? So here, 1 minute. So here, if this candle closed below the level, below the resistance level like this, we can take this candle as a reversal sign, right? But the candle formed above the level, and this is a strong seller's area, but here we are seeing a weak seller's area. sellers entry, right? At the strong sellers area, we are seeing a weak sellers entry. It means the sellers are not strong, right? Not
Mr. Dsouza.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Yes, ask me your question.
بپرسین سالتونو.
It means that the resistance area is, Mr. Dsouza, it means that the resistance area is getting support area in this situation.
Yes, we can expect a support. But now we can't expect support every time, because sometimes it will work as a support, sometimes it will break the level 2. But we need to analyze the market too. If we observe the market, the sellers are strong, the sellers are not strong. We are seeing a strong buyer's entry, weak seller's entry at the strong seller's area. We are seeing a weak seller's entry at the strong seller's area, means the sellers are not enough. They are not interested enough, right? And we are seeing a strong buyer's entry, weak seller's entry, means the buyers are strong, the sellers are not strong, right? By analyzing this market, the buyers are strong, the sellers are not strong. And one thing, we are seeing a breakout candlestick here. So we are seeing a breakout candlestick. After this breakout, we are seeing a retracement candle. The retracement is very weak, and the candle couldn't break this level. And the candle is not a strong candle, right?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So we can't go with sellers confidently, because this is a strong seller's entry. Again, we can expect, if you see any strong seller's entry like this, then again we can go with sellers. Even the buyers are strong, we can go with sellers, because this is a seller's area. But the sellers are very weak, the buyers are very strong. The buyers broke this level because the buyers are strong. If the sellers are strong, they couldn't break this level. And if the sellers are strong, they can make a strong bearish candle, right? But they couldn't make a strong bearish candle because they are not strong to make a strong bearish candle, right? And the candle, if the candle closed like this, then we can take this candle as a reversal sign. But here the candle closed like this. Okay, the candle closed like this means this is not a reversal sign, right? If this is not a reversal sign, so it may continue the market. There is a chance to continue the market too, because of this strong buyer's entry, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, I will show you the next candle. Yes, ask me a question.
No, thank you.
No, okay, good. Okay, yes. Can you guess what the next candle here?
بچه‌ها کندل بعد
سعودی.
Yes.
My friend said that bullish.
Why?
چرا؟ Okay.
هنوزم مومنتوم صعود بالاتر از فروش نشون میده دیگه. هیچ نشانه ای از اینکه ریزش داشته باشه، از اونجا شروع بشه و نزول از اونجا شروع بشه نداریم.
He said that because it has already broken the level,
okay,
and it's a powerful uptrend.
Okay, very good answer. Next. Your voice is not clear.
Trend and there is an
yes.
We have a engulfing pattern.
Okay.
In an uptrend.
Okay. Bullish momentum, strong buyer's entry, and a strong candle, right? Engulfing candle, uptrend, right? What is your answer?
I agree with my friends. Next one would be a bullish one.
Okay, very good.
Because of the engulfing pattern.
Okay, very good answer. And one thing I will tell you, you said the next candle will be a bearish candle, right? Because of this bearish candle, right?
Yes.
But instead of bearish candle, you are seeing a bullish candle, right? What does it mean?
As you said, because that inverted hammer is above the level, and
no.
the body.
I'm asking you. You said the next candle will be a bearish candle, but your answer is wrong. Instead of bearish candle, we are seeing a bullish candle, not a bearish candle, right? After this candle, we can expect a bearish candle, right? Because of this seller's entry. But instead of bearish candle, we are seeing a bullish candle. What does it mean?
خریدارها خیلی قدرتمندترند و به اصطلاح فروشنده ها هنوز متمایل به معامله و ورود به بازار نیست.
Instead of seller's entry, we are seeing buyer's entry. What does it mean?
It means it's a real breakout.
Right? Clear? Mataja?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
So you said the next candle will be a bearish candle. Actually, the next candle will be a bearish candle. We can expect because of this seller's entry, but no seller's entry. We are seeing buyer's entry. It means the sellers are not interested, right?
Yes, sir.
Mataja, clear?
Yes, sir.
The sellers are not interested. That too, we are seeing a strong buyer's entry instead of sellers. The sellers are weak. The buyers are strong. Right? So
yes,
this is a real breakout. This is a pullback. Clear? So we can expect buyer's entry again. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, buyer's entry again. Clear? So, your every answer is very good. Most of the people said very good. They gave very good answers. Most of the people gave very good answers. Some people are confused, but they got clarification about this candlestick formation. I think you said very good answers. Okay, continuation candle, because of this buyers a reversal, because of this rejection, no upper rejection, it means buyers are strong. Again buyers are strong, there is no upper rejection, again continuation. So we can expect a reversal, but there is no reversal. Again a continuation. This is the continuation candle because there is a gap. Again a continuation. A breakout candlestick, we can expect a reversal because there is a rejection from sellers. Again a reversal. So this is a weak candle with compared to buyers. We can expect buyer's entry, but we can expect seller's entry too, according to Motaja. Sometimes it will go down too, but instead of going down, it went up. It means the sellers are not enough to make a bearish candle. Again, we are seeing strong buyer's entry and a engulfing candle too. Again, a buyer's entry. Clear? So
yes, sir.
There behind every candlestick, there must be some reason, but we should know the reason. To know the reason, you should practice more on the market. If you practice more, you will get the reason behind the every candlestick formation, every candlestick psychology. You will come to know. First, practice. I think you no need to practice. You gave me very good answers on every candlestick. You are getting. You are getting some
skill.
Yes, you got some good reasons behind this candlestick formation. You got the psychology behind these formations. You gave me some good valid reasons, valid answers too. I think it's better to practice. So practice these all things. There is no method. I think if you know the reversal point, if you know the reversal candle, and if you know the continuation candle, if you know the breakout candlestick, it's enough. And if you know the engulfing candle, strong body and a strong rejection, if you see the rejections also, then you will come to know the reason. Here, 1 minute, I will tell you one thing and I will complete this session. So there is a rejection from buyers, but the candle closing point is far from the level. So we can take this wick as a selling pressure, not a buying pressure. If the candle closed at the buyer's area, this is additional confirmation. It means we can take this wick as a buying pressure, but there is no confirmation on the left side. It means this is a selling pressure, and here also this is a selling pressure, but this is a buying pressure because we are seeing a additional confirmation, right? If you see any additional confirmation, we can take this wick as a buying pressure. If there is no level at the closing point of this candle, or if the candle closed far from the level like this, again we can take this wick as a continuation sign. We can take this wick as a selling pressure. Again we can go with seller. So the wick, so we can take this wick as a selling pressure or buying pressure according to the market situation. So we can't take any candles wick as a buying pressure or selling pressure directly. You can see here the sellers are here, the sellers are here, the candle closing point is far from the level. It means this is a buying pressure, not a selling pressure. Clear? So we can take this wick as a selling pressure only if the candle closed at the seller's area like this. If this is a seller's area, we can take this wick as a selling pressure. If this is not a seller's area, if the candle closed far from the seller's area like this, we can take this wick as a buying pressure. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, very good. Okay, practice these all things. Practice these all things. The market will give you a repeated trades every time. If you have some experience, then you will place your trade continuously on every candlestick. But no one can predict every candlestick. But if you have knowledge, if you have experience, you can predict continuously at least for 5 candles or at least for 10 candles continuously, at least with 80%, 90% winning ratio. But you need a good experience. If you want to get some good experience, practice on demo account. If you have some good experience, you will get some confidence on your trades. If you get confidence, you no need to worry about emotions. Okay, practice them on demo account. If you get any doubts, any questions, then contact me. We will continue our next session tomorrow at the same time. Okay, is there anyone to ask me questions?
Donna. Mm-hmm. Okay. My friend got.
Yes.
My friend got a question. He said that as a beginner, do you suggest us to place a trade on each candle, every single candle, or what?
Yes, you can try on demo, but you can't trade on real account.
Okay.
You can try on demo to get experience, to get knowledge, but don't apply it on real account unless you get a good experience. Because if you try on every candlestick on real account, you may get some losses, okay, as a newbie. But practice to get some knowledge on demo account. But if you want to trade on real account, even if you are newbie, if you want to trade on real account, then wait for the right moment and place your trade. Because I will show you here. This is a right moment. You can expect a bearish candle after this candle 90% of the time, because a continuation sign, a downtrend, there is a gap, and here a continuation candle, a bullish momentum, we can expect a continuation again. This is also a right momentum. You can expect a seller's entry after this breakout, and here also after this candle, after this breakout, there is a rejection. So mostly the next candle will go down, but instead of going down, we are seeing a bullish candle. It means This is also a continue. This is also a confirmed trade. So always wait for the right moment and place your trade. So here also after this breakout, after this candle, sometimes it will go down, but mostly it will go up. But we are seeing a engulfing candle. This is also a confirmed trade. Okay, wait for the right moment and place your right trade on your real account. If you want to trade on demo account, you can place every candlestick. It's not a problem, but not more than 1 hour, more than 2 hours. I will recommend you to practice only 2 hours a day. I will recommend you only 1 hour. If you want to practice, you can practice 2 hours too. It's not a problem, but don't practice more than 2 hours, because if you practice, if you are in the front of market more than 2 hours, you will be addicted to the market. If you are addicted, you can't be in profit. You can never be in profit, because of addiction you may lose more money. I will recommend you only 2 hours a day practice, and I will recommend you only 30 minutes to 1 hour a day on real account, not more than that. If you achieve your daily target, you can leave the market. I will give you money management tips too in the coming session. You don't need to worry. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Is there anyone else?
Okay, I have it.
میخواستم خواهش کنم اگه امکان داره در مورد مدیریت سرمایه هم ازشون بپرسین که چه حجمی از مارجین رو تو هر معامله وارد کنیم و بعد از هر شکست، یعنی معامله که فیل میشه، بازم همون حجم رعایت بشه یا کمتر بیشتر.
مارتینگل میخوام بپرسین؟
نه، آیا حجم ثابت باشه، مثلا 10 تا معامله زده میشه همش 10% موجودی مارجین ما باشه مثلا 5%.
My friend said, if you may, in next sessions you explain about money management and how much we should put in each actually trade.
Yes, I will explain. I will explain all things. I don't recommend you to trade with martingale strategy, because one thing I will explain. If you have $1,000, you have $1,000 in your account. If you trade with $1 with martingale, within $1, within 10 steps, you will lose all your $1,000 if you apply martingale strategy. But if you place your trade with fixed amount like $1 per trade, within 10 trades, you will get only $10 losses, right? You will lose only $10. Remaining $990 will be in your account. So I don't recommend you to trade with martingale strategy. It's very dangerous. Don't apply martingale strategy. If you have more than 80% winning ratio on real account, then you can apply martingale strategy only 1 or 2 steps only, not more than that. I don't recommend martingale, but if you have more than 80% winning ratio, you can apply 1 step or 2 steps to recover your losses. But it's better to avoid martingale strategy. Even if you have 10,000 in your account, you will lose your whole money within 10 trades if you apply martingale strategy. If you place fixed amount, you will get only $100 loss. You will lose only $100. I don't recommend you to trade with martingale strategy, and I will explain clearly on money management classes. I think I will take the money management class day after tomorrow. Tomorrow I will explain about forex strategies, how to trade on forex and entry points also. Management planning I will explain day after tomorrow. I will explain everything. No, you don't need to worry. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Is there anyone?
We know that you're tired, but I think one of my friends got a last question.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Yes. Actually, I have a question here. Based on the screenshot we have here, we have only the last impulsive downtrend, okay? So when we wanted to predict the next candle, we could only rely on the last impulsive movement. But when we have the big picture, when we can see the past of the market, there are many reversal points, and then all of them can be a level, a potential level. So actually for me, it's more confusing. But here, because we had only this impulsive movement, it was easier. So I don't know, is it an advantage or disadvantage? Can we rely on the last impulsive movement, or we should actually check the past of the market?
No, we no need to check the past market, but to get if you want any additional confirmation, we need to check the past history. Here you can't expect the market, right?
Yes.
By analyzing this market, you can't expect the next candle. Sometimes it will confuse you. Here also it will confuse you, right? Here also it will confuse you. Here also it will confuse you. But there is a reason behind every candlestick. If you know the reason, then you will place a lower option. Some people said they can go with buyers, they can go with sellers at this area. So this is the Indian market according to your answers. So we can't place here a trade. Okay, then we can wait for the next candle. Now we can place a lower option confidently because a continuation candle, right? There is a gap. This is a confirmed trade, and this is also a confirmed trade because a strong buyers, there is a rejection. This is a engulfing candle. We can expect a retracement. So this is not a confirmed trade. We can leave it. Wait for the next candle. A strong candle, we can go with buyers, but there is a sellers. So this is not a confirmed trade. We can leave it. And after this candle, okay, this is a breakout candle. We can go with sellers. We are seeing a strong buyers entry. Okay, this is not a confirmed trade. This is still we are seeing a buyers entry. There is a gap. So this is a confirmed trade. We can go with buyers. A bullish momentum. And this is also a confirmed trade because a continuation sign. There is a gap and bullish momentum. This is also a confirmed trade because of this strong sellers entry. There is a rejection. This is also confirmed trade. This is not a confirmed trade because sometimes it will go up, sometimes it will go, sometimes it will go down too. This is a confirmed trade because of this engulfing candle. After this breakout candlestick, a real breakout, right? So you no need to see the left chart. You need to see on the left chart to know the sellers area and buyers area. If you see on the past history within 10 minutes, within 15 minutes, then you will come to know the reversal points in the market. But in Forex, you need to see the reversal points. If you want to trade on 1 hour chart, you need to see the reversal point in 10 minutes. Then you can place with lower option or higher option at the reversal point in 10 minutes in 1 hour expiration time. If you want to place with short-term trades, if you want to place with long-term trade, you can take a 1 day chart and you can place 7 days expiration time. Okay. Okay.
So as long as we want to predict one candlestick, the 10 or at most 15 minutes is enough.
15 minutes is enough, but to get some more confirmation, you need to see the past history for strong reversal point. If there is any strong reversal point, you can go with sellers. If there is no strong reversal point, you can follow the trend, right? You can continuously go with sellers until you get any reversal point. Okay, you can go with buyers until you get any reversal point. If there is no reversal point, you can go with trend continuously. If there is, you need a reversal point only for taking a reversals in the market. If you want to go against the trend, you need a reversal point. If there is no reversal point, you can go with sellers continuously, right?
Okay.
You can
okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, very good. Okay, is there anyone? No?
Yeah, can I talk?
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. Dsouza, I want to thank you. You stayed more than you had to. I'm so grateful to you. Thank you so much.
Okay, welcome. Yeah, don't worry. Practice these all points on demo account. The market will confuse you, but don't confuse. If you are in confusion, then don't place your trade. Wait for the right moment. Place your trade only if you are confident on your trades, then place your trade. If you don't have confidence, then avoid the trade and wait for the right moment. Wait for the right moment and place your trade. If you wait for the right moment, you will get more opportunities. If you want to trade on every candlestick, then practice on demo code until you get good experience. If you get some good experience, then you can also place on every candlestick. It's not a matter, but you need a good experience. To get a good experience, then practice on demo account, okay, until you get a good experience. And I will also help you. I will also give you support until you get good experience. You can ask me any questions, any doubts. I will come online and I explain if you get any doubts and any questions. Okay. Okay, I'm going to close this session. If you get any doubts, any questions, and contact Mortaja, and if he contacts me, I will come online and explain your doubts, clarify your doubts. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
welcome.
Thank you.
Okay,
Good
welcome.
night.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
Okay, good night.
Bye. Good night. Good night. Bye.